Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to bring your brother or your sister's children to come and live with you in Italy. Not your children, not your brother or your sister. How to bring your brother's children or sister's children to come and live with you in Italy. Now, some people will say, "Oh, my brother is late, but his children are in Nigeria. I want them to come and live with me, but I don't know how to go about it. Oh, my sister is late. I would love to bring her children here to come and live with me, but since they are not my biological children, I don't know how to go about it." Now, I'm here to give you the solution. First, just like every other family reunion, you will need to apply for a nulla osta. Now, before you apply for that nulla osta, you will first of all make sure you have your documents. You have a house where you are going to bring these children to come and live with you. Now, if you want the right documents on how to apply for nulla osta, please go to CAF or this CGL. They will help you with the document that you need to apply for your nulla osta. But before you go and apply for nulla osta, you have to go to Nigeria first of all and process adoption of those children. You must adopt those children legally, and note, they have to be under age, minor, under 18 years old. Now, you will go to the lawyer, your lawyer, tell your lawyer, I want to adopt my brother's children. How do I go about it? He or she will guide you. The parents of the child must be aware. If one is already late, maybe it's your late sister's children, the husband must give consent and say, oh, I have relinquished my right to you, Mrs. This, to have these children. Now, if you are married here, it has to be you and your husband that will sign for the adoption. But if you are single, it's also possible for you to sign up for the adoption. I don't know if it's easy for men to sign up for adoption of children, but I know it's easy for a woman to sign up for adoption for children. So if it's also the woman that is late, the father has to be aware, the father of the children has to be aware, sign and say, okay, yes, so I give up these children for you to be adopted. If it's also the man that is late, the woman has to say, okay, yes, I allow these children to become your children, adopt them, I relinquish all my rights to you. So when you are finished with all this process in Nigeria, your lawyer will hand over the document of adoption to you, and then you will bring them here. You will translate them in Nigeria if you want, or you translate them here and get them authenticated as well. Then you now submit it in addition to other documents that is required for child, to bring your child. I've made this video before. I'll also put the link here, how to bring your child. So the only difference is that you must get your adoption document, and in this one there is no DNA, because of course it's not your biological child. So when you add the document here, you apply for your nulla osta is out, then you go and continue the process in Nigeria. Of course, those adopted documents will also be needed in Nigeria for the embassy to stamp the visa. Now, this works for your brother or sister's children or any other child that you want to adopt in Nigeria to bring to Italy. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it on the comment section. I will answer you or make a video to also reply you. If this is your first time of coming across this page, please like this video, share and subscribe, turn on the bell so that when I post a new video, you will be the first to know. I'll see you in another video. Bye.